So good morning students. Today we will do some more questions of exercise 2.2 and the chapter second is your fraction and decimals. Till now we have covered most of the topics of your chapter 1. The one thing that I want to tell you is, beta, please watch these videos, upload your worksheet on Ursel on time and attend your Zoom sessions. Because in the Zoom sessions you people are free to ask your doubts, your queries. Okay, now in the last lecture I have covered question number, I think third question I have covered of exercise 2.2. I hope there is no doubt in those topics. If you have any sort of doubt you can ask me. Okay, now I have taken the first question of exercise 2.2. Which of the drawings A to D shows? So here I have given you the correct answer. Okay, the first is 2 into 1 by 5. How can I represent this mathematical expression using Venn diagram or using some diagrams? Okay, now what this 2 means two figures, and what 1 by 5 is showing that each figure has 5 parts. Now again, what this 2 indicates? Number of figures. What this 2 indicates? Number of figures. Okay, so number of figures is how much? 2. So 2 figures are there, yes or no? And each figure has 5 parts, and each figure has 5 parts, and out of 5 parts only 1 part is shaded, right? What does this mean? देखिए बेटा, 2 into 1 by 5 क्या शो कर रहा है? 2 into 1 by 5 is a mathematical expression, is a mathematical representation. And how you can represent 2 into 1 by 5? I mean using figure, using graph, okay, using charts. So 2 means यहाँ पे 2 figures हैं बेटा. Similarly here 2, what this 2 indicates? 2 figures. Here 3, what this 3 indicates? 3 figures. What 3 indicates? 3 figures, right? Now 1 by 5, what 1 by 5 is showing that each figure has maximum 5 parts, right? Beta 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5. So maximum parts कितने, divisions कितने बेटा per figure? Each figure has 5 divisions, or you can say parts. Any doubt? I think this thing is visible on the board, right? So number of figures are 2. Each figure has 5 divisions, and shaded part is equals to 1 each. 1 each. Each figure has 1 shaded region, right? This is the shaded region, only 1 shaded region is, right? So 1 divided by 5. So how can I represent this mathematically? 1 by 5. So what this 1 by 5 is showing, that out of 5 divisions, out of 5 parts, only 1 part is shaded. So 2 into 1 by 5. I think this thing is clear to you. Okay, if not, no need to worry, we have some other examples also. Again, I have 2 figures, right? And each figure has 2 divisions, right? Each figure has 2 divisions, and out of these 2 divisions I have only 1 part is shaded, right? So what this 1 is showing? Shaded portion, shaded part. What this 2 is indicating? Total number of parts, or you can say division. So how many parts are there? 2. Okay, how many figures are there? I said 2 figures. How many divisions? Each figure has 2 divisions. And how many divisions are shaded? So you can say 1 by 2. So there is 1. Out of 2, 1 is shaded. So this can be represented like this: 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, so how many half are there? 2, 1 by 2 are there. So beta 1 and 2. So 2 है ना आपके पास 1 by 2. Similarly you can say 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 1 by 5. So how many 1/5s are there? 2. Now similarly, what this 3 indicates beta? Number of figures. What this 3 indicates? Number of figures or number of diagrams. What this 2/3 indicates? That out of 3, 2 are shaded, right? Out of 3, 2 are shaded. So total number of divisions that each figure has 3. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, right? And how many parts are shaded? 2 parts are shaded. You can say this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, or you can say this is 2. Okay, so this is 1 part, this is 2 part. So this is first part, this is second part, this is first part, this is second part, first and second. So in this way only 2 parts are shaded. Only 2 parts are shaded out of 3. And how many 2/3s are there? So beta, you can write 2/3, 2/3, 2/3. How many 2/3s are there? 3. Because we have 3 figures. Any doubt? Now the fourth example is, what this 3 indicates? Number of figures. Okay, I have 3 number of figures. How many figures I have? 3 figures. And each figure has 4 divisions, out of which only 1 is shaded. And beta आप यहाँ पे देखिए 4, what this 4 indicates? Number of, total number of parts. Total number of parts in each फिगर. हर एक फिगर में कितने पार्ट्स हैं बेटा? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, right? And what this 1 indicates? Only 1 part is shaded out of 4. Shaded part, right? What this 1 indicates? Shaded part, right? Shaded part, or you can say shaded portion. So in this way you have represented these mathematical expressions like this. Okay, so this is the simplest way of representing mathematical terms, mathematical fractions, using these diagrams. Okay, these figures, note it down fast. And if any student has any sort of doubt, any sort of queries related to the subject, he or she are free to ask, okay, in the Zoom session. So for that you all need to attend the Zoom sessions. That's why we are asking you to attend the Zoom sessions, okay, so that you can ask more number of queries. Okay, so what this 2 is showing? Number of figures. What this 1 is showing? Part shaded portion out of number of, total number of parts. And how many parts are there? 5 parts are there. What this 2 is representing? Number of figures. What this 2 is showing? Number of parts, or total number of parts, total number of divisions per figure. What 1 is showing? Shaded portion. What this 3 is showing? Number of figures. What this 3 is showing? Number of parts in each figure. What this 2 is showing? Number of shaded portions in each figure, right? What this 3 is showing? Number of figures. What this 4 is showing? Number of parts, number of divisions per figure. And what 1 is showing? Shaded portion. Okay, shaded portion in each figure. So I can say 1 out of 4 is shaded, 2 out of 3 are shaded, 1 out of 2 is shaded, 1 out of 5 is shaded. Okay, okay, so the second question is for your homework. Third question I have already covered in the last lecture. Now I am explaining you the question number 4th. That what this question says is, shade. You have to shade half of the circles in this box. So in this box, how many circles are there, beta? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So total number of circles are, total number of circles is equals to 12. Yes or no? And you need to circle half of the circles. So half of 12 is equals to 6. So 6 circles you need to circle. So 6 circles, ठीक है ना, need to be shaded. So you need to shade 6 circles. So out of 12 you can shade any 6 circles like this. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any 6 circles you can shade. You can shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So and any 6 circles you can shade. But how you will get 6? 1 upon 2 of the circles. How many circles are there? 12 circles are there. So half of 12 is 6. So you need to shade 6 circles out of given 12 circles, right? Out of 12 you need to shade 6 circles. Next, you need to shade 2 by 3 of the triangles, but I don't know how many triangles are there. For that I need to count the number of triangles given in this box. Okay, how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so total number of triangles is equals to 9. Triangles to be triangles, ठीक है, I can write shade. So 2 by 3 of 9, that means 3 3s are 9, that is 3 2s are 6. So here you need to shade 6 triangles. Any doubt in this? First you need to count total number of triangles. How many triangles are there? You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Likewise you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So out of 12 you have shaded 6. Out of 9 you need to shade 6. The reason is 2 by 3rd of triangles. How many triangles are there? 9 triangles are there. So 2 by 3 into 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. That means you need to shade 6 triangles out of given 9 triangles, right? You can choose any 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So any 6 triangles you can choose out of given 9 triangles. So this is the way how you can find the number of triangles in a given box. Okay, now 3 by 5 of the squares, that means 3 by 5 of the total number of squares given in this box. First you need to count how many squares are there in this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So how many squares are there? 15 squares are given in this box, and you need to shade only 3 by 5 of the squares. That means you need to write total number of squares is equals to 15, and squares to be shaded will be 3 by 5 of 15. So I can write sorry, 5 3s are 15, so equals to 9. So 9 squares I need to shade in the given, out of these 15 squares I need to shade 9 squares, right? So you can shade like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So randomly you can choose any 9 squares out of 15. Likewise, you can choose any 6 triangles out of 9. Similarly, you can choose 6 circles out of 12. I think this thing is clear to you all. If not, you people are free to ask in Zoom session. So please note it down fast. I hope this thing is clear to you all. That how I calculated 6 circles, that how I calculated 6 triangles, and how I calculated 9 squares. Okay, so 1 by 1 half of the total, 2 by 3 of the total number of triangles, and 3 by 5 of the total number of squares given in the boxes. Note it down fast. Now the next question is question number 5th. Find part A, half of 24 then half of 46. In Hindi आपको 24 का हाफ, दैट मीन्स आधा आपको बेटा फाइंड आउट करना है. सिमिलरली यू नीड टू फाइंड हाफ ऑफ 46, दैट मीन्स 46 का आधा आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. आई मीन व्हाट इज द वैल्यू. ओके, सिमिलरली इन पार्ट सी, बिकॉज बी एंड डी इज फॉर योर होमवर्क, 3/4 ऑफ 16, दैट मीन्स 3/4. अगर आप हिंदी में बात करें बेटा, सो 3/4 ऑफ 16. सो 16 का 3/4 पार्ट आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ 16? सिमिलरली यू नीड टू फाइंड इन दिस 3/4 पार्ट ऑफ 36. दैट मीन्स 36 का 3/4 पार्ट क्या होगा, जिसको आप हिंदी में अगर आप बोले तो. ठीक है. नाउ हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. What does this of means in mathematics? Multiplication, the sign of multiplication. So you can write half of 24, or you can write half of is represented by multiplication sign, so 12, so 12. So half of 24, 24 का आधा क्या होगा बेटा? 12. Similarly half of 46, so this was your first part and this is your second part. So half of 46 means 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, that means 23. Note it down fast. I hope this thing is visible clearly. Okay. Now 3/4 of 16, 3/4 of 16 means 3/4 into 16 divided by 1. 4 4s are 16 and 4 3s are 12. So 12 is your answer. Second, 3/4 of 36, that means 3/4 into 36. 4 9s are 36 and 9 3s are 27. Any doubt? This is nothing but the of BODMAS, right? BODMAS, right? BODMAS. So बेटा BODMAS में जो O होता है वो यही तो होता है बेटा, ऑफ. एंड ऑफ इज नथिंग बट अ मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ दीज टू फ्रैक्शंस. 3/14 into 16/1, 3/4 into 16/1. This is basically a multiplication of two fractions. So 12 is the answer, 27 is the answer. Similarly 12 is the answer and 23 is your answer. In the same manner you need to solve part D and part B and part D. Okay, note it down fast. Now see this question number 6. This is the last for the day. Question number 7 and question number 8 is for your homework. If you have any doubt, you can ask me your doubts, your queries in the Zoom session. But before that, you all need to watch these videos. You need to submit your homework, okay, on Ersel. So the question number 6 is multiply and express as a mixed fraction. Okay, so this is a mixed fraction. Multiply with with 3. Mixed fraction multiply with 7. Mixed fraction when multiply with 6. So first you need to convert in the simple fraction, and then again you need to represent that simple fraction into the mixed fraction. How? Like this. This is 3, or I can write 3/1. 3/1 multiply by 5 5s are 25. plus 1 26, so 26 upon 5. What you did here is 5, this is 5 into 5 plus 1 divided by 5. So 5 into 5, these two terms are multiplied and the product is added with 1. So 5 5s are 25 plus 1 by 5, so 26 upon 5. Now 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7 divided by 5. So the result is 78 upon 5. So the result is 78 upon 5. Now I can represent this in form of mixed fraction. How? You can simply write 5 78, 5 1s are 5, 28, 5 5s are 25, so 3. So 15 3 by 5. This is the mixed fraction. 15 5s are 75 plus 3, 78 divided by 5. So this is how you can represent. First you multiply a fraction with a mixed fraction and the overall result will give you a mixed fraction, 15 3 by 5. So this is the simple representation, this is a mixed representation of this simple fraction. 78 by 5 can be represented like this, 15 3 by 5. Similarly, you need to first multiply this mixed fraction with 7. How? 7 can be written as 7 upon 1. 7 upon 1 into 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4. 9 7s are 63 divided by 4. Now you just need to divide 63 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 23, 4 5s are 20, the remainder is 3, right? So you can write 15 3 by 4. 15 4s are 60 plus 3, 63 divided by 4. So this is the mixed representation of 63 upon 4, right? Note it down fast. Okay, before that, please see this question also. 3 1 by 4 when multiplied by 6. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 4 into 6 upon 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 1 13, 13 divided by 4 into 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 13 3s are 39 divided by 2. Now 39 when divided by 2 is 2 1s are 2, 19, 2 9s are 18, the remainder is 1. Or you can simply write 19 1 by 2. So this is the mixed fraction of 39 by 2. Note it down fast. Okay, so this is all for the day, students. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the later Zoom sessions. But before that, you all need to watch these videos. You need to submit your work on Ursel, okay, and be ready with your doubts, your queries in the next Zoom session, okay. So please note it down fast, students, and thank you.